Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2 mobile app setup with the Dreame Home app, available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in the L40, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, go ahead, download the Dreame Home app. Once you sign in or create your account, you'll be at this screen where for us, we already have multiple Dreame devices added. You probably won't see any devices here, that's okay. There might be a button in the center to add a new device, you can click that. Or go to the top right-hand corner, there's 3 dots. And select those 3 dots, then choose the plus icon that says add a device. And it's going to prompt you to scan a QR code, which is on your robot right here. So let's scan that. It's scanning. Make sure the robot's turned on. So press the robot into the base station or press and hold the power button. So we're going to press and hold the power button. And the robot is booted up. Here we go.
Start cleaning.
Select next. Release the hotspot. So press and hold the spot and the home button for 3 seconds until we hear a voice prompt.
For the network configuration.
Select next. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. Select next. Now we need to connect to the device hotspot. So select device hotspot connection at the bottom. Select join. Here we go. It's working on connecting.
Robot and phone connected.
Got a voice prompt.
Return to app to wait for the result.
Giving us a status update there audibly. And we have one more in the checklist. Now we select next.
Network connected successfully.
We can rename it if we want. Select finished.
Robot back into dock before starting tasks. When hearing start charging, it means the installation is in place.
Now we're taken into the device right here. We can agree. It walks us through a little checklist here of some key features you can enable or disable. I'd highly recommend leaving those on. They're very nice, very helpful. Now it gives us a tour here. So we'll click through that. And we have a firmware update. Go ahead if you want. This is the best time to update the firmware right there. So go ahead and do that. And then once you have the firmware updated, you'll be back at the screen where you can select that start fast mapping. It'll map your home environment. It'll come back. It'll save and populate the map. Then you can customize your cleaning settings and you're all set and ready to go to start cleaning. But overall, simple and straightforward to set up your Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2 with the Dreame Home app.